This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can set a new home point on this drone. So first step, enter the camera view or the device view inside the DJI Go 4 app. Now launch settings by tapping at those three horizontal buttons. Here make sure to select the first category, that is the MC settings, and at the very top you'll find the home point settings. So if you would like to set your home point to whatever point in space your drone is currently located in, just tap at this button here. So set current aircraft position as the home point, then press OK. And if you will not be sitting in the basement as I am currently, and you will actually have a good GPS connection, it will not fail and will set itself or set its new home point to be whatever current location of the aircraft is. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.